Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking the HUD clock in the top right. It gives an immediate readout of hour and minute. Once done, open the pause menu and navigate to the settings or map overlay to see the exact in-game date and time. Make sure to use the camp sleep option to advance time quickly, rest at camp, or a bed speeds time forward. These first actions establish your reference and allow you to plan missions or events that depend on specific times of day. Next, use the map and in-world cues to track time progression more precisely. Open the map to spot missions or encounters flagged by time windows. Planned events often require arriving at specific hours. Once done, equip the pocket watch in your inventory for a realistic, easy-to-read time display while exploring. Make sure to observe sun and moon positions and shadows on the environment. These visual cues help you estimate dawn, dusk, and night without pausing, which is useful during stealth or hunting. To finish, fast forward to your target hour by setting up camp and sleeping or waiting at an inn. This reliably advances the clock. If you notice time desynchronization after cutscenes or missions, reload the last autosave or restart the game to correct it. Make sure to check autosave timestamps to confirm time progression and avoid lost progress. One troubleshooting tip: if weather or lighting looks wrong for the stated time, reload. That usually resolves mismatches between visual cues and the clock.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.